Okay. Okay, today I am going to show you how to do a custom path in PowerPoint. And as you can see, this is a new slide in PowerPoint. I just went home, opened up PowerPoint, and inserted a new presentation. So what we're going to have to do is first, we're going to have to put shapes on here so that I can show you how to do a custom path. So I'm going to come over here to Insert tab and then go to Shapes. Now I'm just going to choose any shape. I like the heart shape, and you can draw your heart on there. I'm making it a little bit bigger. And then let's do a couple more shapes. I'm going to do 2 more shapes. So I'm going to go back over here to Insert and go to Shapes right here. I like the smiley face, so I'm going to put a smaller, maybe I'll put a smiley face over here, a bit smaller. And then I am going to do one more. So Insert, Shape. Let's do, let me see. Oh, let's do a lightning bolt just for the fun of it. And I'm going to put the lightning bolt over here. I'm actually going to make this a little bigger because I think it hides it a little better. Okay. Then once I have my shapes, now let's say that I want to hide them. I want to hide them behind the heart. And how I do that is I make sure that I select the shape that I want to hide. And for me, I'm going to double click on here where this little bar shows up so that I can send it backwards. Because if I've sent it right now, if I do a custom path, you will see the lightning bolt in front of the heart. We want it to hide it. So I'm going to select send backwards, and then so I know that when it gets to the heart, I won't see it. And I'm going to do the same with the smiley face. So double click on it and go send backwards or send back. So now these will be behind the heart. Now if you want to do the custom path, we have to select the shape that we want to make the custom path for and come up here to the top up here where it says animation and click on animation. And on my PowerPoint version, it doesn't say custom path, it says path animation. So mine was a little different than maybe yours. So I click on here, and I'm going to make an archway path for the smiley face. You can select anyone you want. So that one went over there. I'm going to move, if I can select it. And if you notice, I can make this bigger to reach all the way over to the heart. So I'm going to make it big. I'll make it a little bigger too. There. If you notice, when I click off it, there's a red thing. That's where it stopped. And I don't want it to stop over there. I wanted to stop here. So I'm going to have to rotate it so that it will stop behind the heart. Like that. Let's put it like that. So now you'll see that the path is from here to there. And if you've noticed, up here it's an animation box. And you can do all sorts of things. If I make sure that's highlighted, I can put play all to check if it, how it looks. So I'll go play all, and the heart goes right behind it. And now I want to do the same with the lightning bolt. So I select it, I put path animation, and this time I'm going to draw a curvy line. I think it's kind of cool. So I'm going to go here, and then here, and then here, and then go behind. Oops, I did not. And then I click it. There we go. Oh, I didn't quite get in behind, so I'm going to make the box go like that. And if you notice, this has come up, so we can manipulate the timing, we can slow it down. I put for 1 click when the presentation starts. So here, let's test it out and see how I did. So I click that, and then, oh, I didn't start from that. Okay. Let's see, that one goes there, and that one goes there. And that is how you do a custom animation or a custom path. I hope you learned something from this. And I guess I'll see you next time.